As always, I believe I can touch the sky. Stop hurting the planet! Hey, Allie here to give you an intro to eco. What does eco-friendly actually mean? This video is for all you people out there in the ether who aren't exactly sure what eco-friendly actually means. This term gets used a lot. You see it everywhere. So let's break it down along with some other eco phrases. Let's start by defining eco-friendly. So in regards to a product, that means everything from creation to distribution must be safe for the environment. It seems like everything is eco-friendly these days. The clothing, the tote bags, the reusable straws. The problem with this is that when it comes to product production, everything that is made or created has some sort of negative impact on the environment. Use of water, use of energy, use of resources, there's always an impact. The problem with the term eco-friendly is that it can be twisted and turned by the producer to make the consumer think they're actually making a good choice or a green choice. But don't believe everything you read. According to the Federal Trade Commission Green Guides, yeah, I know, government stuff, in order for a product to properly be labeled as eco-friendly, the packaging must explain why it is environmentally responsible. Otherwise, it might not even be safe for the environment. This can lead to greenwashing. And this is actually causing huge brands to get sued. For example, a company called Truly Organic Inc. will pay $1.76 million to settle an FTC complaint alleging that their nationally marketed bath and beauty products are neither 100% organic nor certified organic by the USDA. And another one, Nordstrom, Bed Bath & Beyond, Backcountry.com, and JCPenney are going to pay penalties totaling $1.3 million for falsely labeling rayon textiles as made of bamboo. Sustainable is a better word to be looking for and using. Because it can mean that a single part of that production process is good for the environment, not necessarily everything in the product. This is where sustainable brands come in, like Everlane and Reformation. These brands are being conscious of their carbon footprint and making up for their impact by focusing on carbon offsetting. This is why I'm defining these terms, because we're hearing them all the time. But what do they actually mean? Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean so much. So how the heck do we find eco-friendly products? There is the rub. No matter what we do, we have an impact on this earth. One way is to look for these logos when you go to buy something. Another way is to just purchase less. And yet another way is to start a zero-waste lifestyle. Now, there will never be someone who lives 100% zero waste. I mean, we're humans, we create waste with our bodies. And living this way can be very difficult, but there actually are some people doing it really well. Don't be intimidated. Here's what you can do. You want to try and find products that are less likely to be thrown away or replaced. Quality over quantity. This cuts down on waste going to those landfills, remember? But the best way to be eco-friendly? Keep what you already have. Use what you've got. Only replenish when you're done and try and find a reusable option. Buy things when you need them instead of in advance. We all love Costco, but do you really need that many eggs? So what does eco-friendly actually mean? Not harmful for the environment. Try and find more eco-friendly ways of living. How to have a smaller impact, a smaller carbon footprint. Discover more sustainable brands. Be conscious about your purchases and don't fall for those greenwashing techniques. So think about what it is that you want to change in your life and start with that. I'm not asking you to change your entire life. I'm still working on changing mine. This is a slow process, so don't get overwhelmed. I'm here to help you through it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you understand a little bit better what eco-friendly actually means. Please like, comment, and subscribe so you'll never miss a video, and tell me what you think of this one. I will see you guys next week. Friendly for beginners. My damn cat. Petunia, I'm so sorry, honey. You're gonna have to wait to play with your ball. I know, I'm so sorry. But I'm almost done.